Wait, quick question. If belly fat burned every time we said, I'll start from Monday, we'd all have six packs by now? Be honest. I used to think the only way to get a flatter stomach was pain, suffering, and a gym membership that steals your money while you never show up. Every video online felt like punishment. Do this brutal routine. Cut all carbs, no sugar for life. Calm down. I just want my jeans to fit, not join the Olympics. I'm not lazy. I'm efficiency focused. But I still wanted my stomach to relax a little. Not superhero abs, just not fighting for survival every time I sit down. So I stopped following random hacks and started looking at what actually works. Real research, real habits, no torture methods. And what I found was way simpler than expected. Give me a few minutes and I'll walk you through it step by step. And stay till the end, because the last factor is the one most people ignore, and it quietly ruins their results. Also, quick pause. If you like realistic, non-crazy health content, hit subscribe now before you forget. I post stuff for normal humans, not fitness robots. All right, small story. A few months ago, I ordered clothes online and picked my usual size with full confidence. It arrived. I tried it on. It fit only if I didn't inhale. I stood there like, okay, either the brand is lying or my snacks are very loyal friends. Instead of panic dieting, I decided to test a smarter approach. No gym, no starving, just repeatable strategies. Before we start, go comment starting today. Yes, actually do it. Writing your intention increases follow through. Your brain treats it like a mini contract. Science is nosy like that. Let's start with the biggest misunderstanding. Most people try to eat less food. That is the wrong first move. You should aim to eat smarter food. There is a big difference between calorie deficit and portion torture. A calorie deficit just means you burn more than you eat. That's it. But how you build that deficit changes everything. This is where food volume comes in. Some foods are tiny but calorie heavy. Some foods are huge but calorie light. Your stomach cares about space and stretch more than math. Example, a small pastry and a giant bowl of berries can have similar calories. Which one keeps you full longer? Obviously the big bowl. So build meals around high volume, high fiber, high protein foods. Vegetables, fruits, lean protein, potatoes, yogurt, eggs, oats. Your plate looks full. Your stomach feels happy. Your calories stay controlled. You're not removing joy. You're changing structure. And no, you do not have to give up your favorite snacks. If someone tells you that, they are planning for you to fail. Include treats. Just don't let treats be the whole party. Quick check-in. If you're still watching, comment Team Real Food so I know you're here. Next habit changed how much I ate without counting anything. Eating slower. I used to eat like the plate insulted my family. Gone in minutes. Then I'd sit there wondering why I was still snacky. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to register fullness. If you eat fast, you eat past the signal every time. Here's a simple trick. Take a bite. Chew fully. Put your spoon or fork down. Yes, actually put it down. Swallow. Breathe once. Then continue. At first, it feels fake and dramatic. After a few meals, it feels normal. And you naturally eat less without feeling restricted. Also aim to stop at comfortable, not stuffed. You should feel like you could still walk, not like you need to be rolled away. There's a reason some cultures practice the 80% full rule. It works long term. Now let's talk about protein, because this one deserves respect. Protein is your secret weapon for fat loss and appetite control. It keeps you full longer and protects your muscle while you lose fat. If your meals are mostly carbs and fats with very little protein, hunger comes back fast. Easy ads. Eggs at breakfast, chicken, fish, tofu, or lentils at meals. Greek yogurt for snacks. Protein does not need to be fancy, it just needs to show up. Try to include some protein every time you eat. Your cravings will calm down noticeably. Next topic. Drinks. Sneaky little troublemakers. Liquid calories are the easiest way to overshoot your needs because they don't make you feel full. Sweet drinks, fancy coffees, packaged juices, energy drinks. They slide in quietly. I'm not saying never have them, I'm saying notice them. Try shifting most of your daily drinks to water, sparkling water, tea, or black coffee. Even one swap per day makes a difference over weeks. One simple morning habit that helped my digestion and appetite was warm water, with lemon and a bit of apple cider vinegar. Does it taste amazing? No. Does it help some people with appetite control? Yes. Try it and see how you feel. Now let's fix the workout confusion. You do not need extreme workouts to lose belly fat. You need consistent movement and core engagement. Spot reduction is mostly a myth, But strengthening your core improves shape, posture, and firmness while overall fat goes down. Here's a simple no-equipment routine you can rotate. First, controlled bicycle motions on the floor. Slow and deliberate, not wild flapping. Focus on the twist and squeeze. Second, standing knee raises with a slight crunch. Great if you hate floor exercises. Third, slow mountain climbers, not speed mode, control mode. Fourth, plank holds. Start with 20 seconds. Build up gradually, do 2 or 3 rounds. That's it, 10 to 15 minutes. If you want bonus points, add walking. Walking is underrated and powerful. 20 to 30 minutes daily adds up more than one killer workout you quit doing. If you want, comment home workout, and I can make a full follow-along routine next. Now we need to talk about stress because nobody connects this properly. High stress keeps your body in defense mode. Defense mode loves storing belly fat. Your hormones literally shift towards storage when stress stays high. You cannot hate yourself into better results. That backfires. Add small stress controls, walks, music, stretching, quiet time. Even 5 minutes helps. And now the most ignored fat loss factor, sleep. Bad sleep increases hunger hormones and lowers control hormones. You feel hungrier and less satisfied. That is a dangerous combo. Also, poor sleep raises cortisol, which is linked with more belly fat storage. Aim for consistent sleep timing. Reduce late-night scrolling. Yes, I know, ironic coming from a video platform, but your results matter more. Now let me add 2 things that made a surprising difference for me that nobody talks about enough. First is routine timing. Try to keep your meal times somewhat consistent. Your body loves patterns. When you eat at completely random hours every day, hunger signals get messy and cravings spike harder. When you eat at roughly similar times, your appetite becomes more predictable and easier to manage. You don't need perfect schedules, just loose structure. Breakfast window, lunch window, dinner window. That alone reduces random snacking. Second is environment control. Most overeating is not hunger, it's proximity. If snacks are always on your desk, you will eat them. Not because you're weak, because you're human. Make the better choice the easier choice. Keep fruit visible. Keep high-calorie snacks out of arm's reach or buy smaller packs instead of giant ones. Design beats willpower every time. Quick engagement break. If you've made it this far, like the video right now. You're clearly serious, and that tells the algorithm to push this to more people who actually need it. Let me say something important before we close. This is not about chasing a perfect body. It's about removing daily frustration. It's about comfort when you sit, confidence in photos, energy during the day, small habits, repeated daily. That is the whole game. Comment which tip you're starting first. I read comments and I reply. Subscribe if you want more simple, no-drama guides like this. You've got this. Start messy, stay consistent. That wins every time.